Hey there, this is Tricia from Devoted Healthcare Consultants. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming and listening to my content. I hope it's been helpful to you. And if this is your first time here to my channel, welcome. Would you please like and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the content, if you have not as yet. So, and also if you would hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when I upload more videos. I try my best to upload at least once a week to bring you content. So today I wanted to talk about meal planning. When you bring a client onto your services for the first time and you go out to do your intake, you should at least ask them, ask the caregiver or the client if they're on a special diet. So some people may have cardiac disease, hypertension, they may have like kidney disease, and with those diseases, they have to be on special diets and follow special meal plans at times. So it's important for you as a caregiver or for your staff as caregivers to know what kind of diets the client is on, if there's anything special that they need to follow. So you would most likely, the best thing would be to do is to have someplace on your intake form asking if there is a special diet. That would be a good thing to do, is to have that written out on your form. So it's just in case it's not you as the home care agency owner, but you have, say you have a nurse that has to go out to do the assessment for the first time, that is something important to know so you can follow that and make sure that the person doesn't, get sick. And also to make sure that they don't have any allergies to certain foods or medications and stuff like that. It's also important to know. So let's just say that your caregiver is preparing a meal. Suppose they can't have onions. Suppose they can't have salt, or too much salt. They may be on a low cardiac diet, a low sodium diet. So it's important for you to know that, so you'll know, or your caregiver will know how to prepare the meals for them. And it may not be a big meal, but certain things that they may have to prepare for them may require certain things. And you want to make sure that or the caregiver knows not to give them these things. Okay, so they may be like on a fluid restriction as well. Could be a possibility as well. So they cannot have over a certain amount of fluid per day. So it's important to ask those things when you are doing your initial visit, and you can discuss that with the caregiver. Okay, so I hope that this has been helpful to you. It's a short video, but it's a very important tip to make sure that someone doesn't get sick while they're under your caregiver's care. All right, so I hope that has been helpful to you. And again, I would like if you would like and subscribe to my channel. I give helpful tips and help you to start a home care agency, also to run a home care agency to make sure that you're doing it in the correct manner and just helping out any way that I can, okay? And I have some helpful things coming along for you. We have the holidays coming, so I will have a few things on sale as well. So just keep an eye out, and I hope to see you soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.